Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the gold market. As usual now, a second daily video. So on the gold market, as you can see, that bounce up was guaranteed by, from the technical point of view, by the combination of the daily oversold and fib level. This major 3-8 fib support for another 16, and that combination of the daily oversold with the fib level gives us actually the Jod-Napoli directional pattern that calls bullish stretch, and it suggests some upward retracement. Fundamentally, that was the support from the dropping of the stock market, and that some profit, some money has been extracted from the funds from the stock market and put in the gold. Some kind of run for the safe haven was, and the major impact market has gotten last week when it was simultaneous retracement on the United States Treasuries when the yields has dropped a bit, and the stock market. That was the double support for the gold market when our trade upward action has started. So, but right now, as we expect the deep retracement, upside retracement on the stock market within the week or maybe 2 weeks, it will become the pressure on the gold market. And second issue is the United States Treasury bonds is returning back to high yield highs. So as it was double support 2 weeks ago, that could become the double headwind for gold market in the short-term perspective. That's why in the perspective of the 2 or 3 sessions, maybe we expect some retracement here to the downside. I don't know how it's strong will be, but definitely gold market will feel some pressure within the 1-2 sessions, and we expect some bounce to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have also technical reasons to think so. So first of all, take a look that our upside bounce has started perfect. We have talked about it in the last week. If you remember, we have talked about this confidence support on the hidden gap fib level, and we said not everybody see these fib levels, and when some traders see just the fib level and when market will drop here below it, they could think that this is the breakout, while we see here the confidence, and the 1310 is still the support for us. Besides, guys, this action is just perfect study for an illustration of Jod-Napoli advanced tactics, some advanced things on understanding how fib levels should be used. For example, if you will plot here the ABCD patterns of different kind, first we were watched for this ABCD as soon as it has been completed, but we haven't seen any upward continuation. We start to watch for this one, ABC top. I just remind you because this is very important, and this is very good explanation how to combine expansions, fib expansions and fib levels. Take a look what really has happened here. Market has turned up from our perfect XOP target 1307. On intraday charts here, the butterfly has been formed that has triggered this upward action. So that's the trade that we have discussed on the not last week, somewhere in the beginning of the last week. So for the traders who do not see this 1310 level that's built from the hidden reaction point of the gap that still stands unfilled, they saw that this level has been broken because market was standing too low. At the same time, as you can see that XOP stands for $3 below the confidence area, and advanced Jod-Napoli tool, Jod-Napoli tactics, tells that it is possible that the level could be penetrated if market is coming to some objective points that stands in a tight relation to this confidence, slightly below it. So, but you need to control. So market should return very fast as soon as it has completed XOP or OP or whatever target stands here. It should show a fast return up that will confirm that level is still valid, and that market just was hunting just for a completion of the target. As soon as this has happened, market should turn up, and that is particularly what we see. So for those traders who are trading just on the 3/8 level, this level has been broken. But for us, as we see this hidden reaction point and hidden fib level, that was just perfect opportunity to entry long. That explains why this upward action has developed very fast, because some stops have been placed here of those who have taken the short position to break out of this level. So what we see right now, I will erase this, do not need it. Market has completed upside swing, as you can see magenta line here, and is coming to the target has been completed. We said that market should retest this trend line, snack line on the hand shoulders. Mostly the target of these hand shoulders has been completed, as market has completed this ABCD, right? So it coming to the confidence resistance 1329.50, 1331. So also trend line stands here. So this is good chance for taking the scalp short positions. So for those traders who are trading on intraday charts, you could think about selling against this level. This will be at least some retracement down here, maybe 30% at least, maybe even greater. So on the intraday charts, what we have on the hourly chart, we see that major A, B, C bottom OP target has been completed here, 1326. But at the same time, as you can see, guys, here it was really fast action right to the OP. That's why maybe market will float around it for some time, and I personally think that you could just keep an eye on this butterfly. Butterfly will give you opportunity taking the position relatively safe, because you could place tight stop at this base butterfly, and butterfly probably will lead to at least minor reaction that will lead you to protect your position with a break-even stop. So my suggestion is that yes, indeed market could move slightly high and complete this butterfly. Besides, the 127 extension of the butterfly stands 1329, and it's much closer to confidence rather than OP 1326. So I think the market could test this area before a real retracement will start. So that is the short-term stop on the gold market. Let's see, by the way, have we ever maybe some grabbers or something on a daily? No, nothing. So anyway, I think that another leg here to complete the butterfly still could follow. After that, I suggest that some reaction on the strong resistance on the follow time frame chart should happen, especially because the stock market stands on upward retracement, and that probably will lead to some pressure on the gold market, and some retracement could happen here. So let's see what we will get today.